Hi guys, it's me, Darshil, over here telling you how to make a bow and arrow. For this, you need 6 A4 papers. Don't worry, I've been using them. I've used them actually. And so I'm using what I've got. One rubber band, pair of scissors, and some tape. So now first take 5 papers, okay? 5 to 6. If you want it more like If you want your bow to be more secured and tight, you can use 6, but I'm using 5 today because I don't want to waste paper. And then keep on folding it like this. Just keep on doing it. Now, hold it, take your scissors, and make 2 small cuts. Okay? And then insert your rubber band in it. Wait a second. And then do 2 more folds. And I have wrist. I'm just gonna cut that out. And if you don't have wrist, you can actually tape it then, but I'm gonna cut out as I have wrist left. And then before you do anything, just take your rubber band like this. Now you can't take it off once you tape it, your rubber band. So I'm just gonna tape the paper with the thing. Now guys, taping is optional, okay? So if you don't want to tape, you can just leave this part. I'm just gonna tape so mine is a bit secured. This is gonna be my last tape. There you go. Guys, you might think, how can this become a bow? It's a bit tricky if you shoot it. That's why. I'm just gonna just take the middle. See, like this. I'll tell you easy way. And then just fold it, bend it, and there you go, your perfectly made bow. Guys, now you can use a small but rubber band, okay? So this will go a bit like this, but mine is a big one, so it's a bit. So it should be a V shape, okay? So I'm just gonna keep this aside, and now let's make our arrow. Now this is a simple copy also. I'm just gonna fold it like this. In this, you don't need scissors. Actually, you do, but not now. Okay. And then just do like an airplane sign. Like how you make airplanes, right? exactly that way. Then I'm just gonna do one more fold. Okay, and then another. And then again. And then fold it in half like this. See, this is like this. Fold it in half like this. Okay. And then the cut, you should make a small little cut. Not a big one, small. Okay. Guys, it's important the cut should be facing to your point. Because if you don't do that, it will fail. Just open it again, and then from where the cut is, fold the paper like this. And then just fold it again. And to secure it now, I'm just going to put my teeth again. And that's your arrow. I'm going to show you how to shoot it. Wait a second. Okay, there you go. This is not proper. I'm just. Wait a second. So this is a tutorial. Okay, so you know this rubber band. Take your arrow, okay? You know where you did the cut? Just put it like this, and then see that shoot it. Let me see where it went. Actually went to the dirt. If you just see there, that's the arrow. That's actually the arrow, guys. I'm gonna do it again. And this time I'm gonna do it upwards so you can see. Like this. So guys, one more thing I want to teach you is to make one of those. So as many arrows you make, you can just put it here, and then you can have epic wars with your friends. So let me just show you. Now, if you remember these papers that we cut, we're not gonna use them. Yeah, but you can make something out of them, so don't waste paper. And I'm just gonna take one more copy. Let me just set my camera. Just gonna take one more copy, okay, of this thing. One more copy of the paper. there. And this is my copy. Take the corners, okay, and just flip it and then keep on turning it. Guys, there should be like a circle over here, okay, and that should be getting larger as you fold, because that's where you're gonna put your arrows. I have to do it again because I want a larger one. Now guys, where the parts I told you to tape, you can't use a glue. Remember when we made the bow and arrow? You can't use the glue then, okay? For this, you can use glue, but I'm just gonna use tape. Oh no. Guys, there shouldn't be a hole in the bottom, so I'm just gonna quickly do it again. Guys, you know I would tell you a tip. This plastic has gone waste. I'll tell you a tip. Whenever you're making something out of tape, get your tape and just stick it, half of it on this, and the other half will be sticking. So when you're taking, you can fastly take from here, which is a really good, useful thing. Guys, there could be a really small hole in there. If there's no hole, that would be great. Mine has a small one. And there, it's secured. I'm just gonna put some more tape. Actually, you know what? I have an idea that I think if you have a hole in the bottom, take a bit of a tape, okay, and just cover it. There. So that's your perfectly made one. You know, you don't need a handle or something in this. So you can just put it back on your t-shirt like this. Let me just well, see, this is my thing. I'm just gonna put it back in here, and my arrow. Just gonna first take it out, put my arrow in, and then put it here. So it's like just your man, sharpshooter, like Hawkeye, basically. So guys, this is the bow and arrow. With this, I'm just gonna bring one of my few more arrows that I made. Okay, let me just get it. So guys, I just forgot that I lost all my arrows when I was playing with my friend. Make two of the bows, 6 arrows, 3 arrows each. You can make 12 arrows and 6 arrows each. 2 of these. Put it on your back, foot things, and fight. This can't hurt you, but be careful. If it goes in the eyes, it can hurt your eyes because remember, this is edgy. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. And I'm gonna show you some. And please like, share, subscribe, or this arrow is coming for you. Bye. See you in a bit. Bye.